What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I do have something pretty cool that's going to go on. So my brother, as many of you know, he was looking for an S550 and he finally found one, and it actually got delivered yesterday. I was going to make a full video on it yesterday, but it started pouring rain and he was trying to get back to his place. So today he's going to come over and we're going to do a little walk around the car and kind of show you guys what it's all about and everything. All I'm going to say is it is a Gen 3 Coyote, it is a manual, and it is white, and it is really nice, and hopefully he'll be here soon. Alright, so he did just pull up, and it is a 2019 performance pack, obviously the 5.0, but I think it's extremely nice, and it is a Gen 3, so I think those do look better than Gen 2s. The car did come with some stuff. It has, I think, a resonator delete, and then it did come with these Flowmasters. I think he's going to change these out though, because they sound alright, but they're not as good as the other options that you can put on the car. Even though that this is a base, he did look out, and I think he got like the best spec that you can get, because it is an entertainment package and it's a performance pack. So obviously you get all the goodies like the pedals, and you get the gauges telling you vacuum and the oil pressure. Obviously you get the entertainment center, and then along with the performance pack you do get the nice wheels with the Brembos up front, and then on top of that you have 373 Grand gears. I also think you have some different exterior items, like a different spoiler, maybe a different diffuser. I think all of them come with quad tips, but then you got like a different lip and everything in the front. I guess you're gonna start it up and maybe take it for a ride. It is extremely loud. Now that we're in a car, and being the 2018 and up, it does come with some cool features, like it does have auto rev match and everything, which he'll show you in a second. But I think it is kind of cool. It's really nice if he was like on a track. I mean, that's without him actually manually doing it. It's definitely really loud though with the Flowmasters. With the auto rev match, it would definitely help if he was like slinging this thing around the corner on the track, or maybe like really good curvy back roads or something. I think the Flowmasters sound good except for like high RPMs.
Exactly. Like right now it sounds good, but when I get in it, it sucks.
Are you happy you went with the Gen 3 instead of Gen 2?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's definitely a lot better.
If you guys did go with us to go test drive that one black one, it was a Gen 2, but that thing was honestly clapped. And then this car, they were only asking like a couple thousand more, and that's just way better option, because you get 2018 and up, and you get all the different features like the performance pack and the entertainment center and everything. He is going to be taking this thing to Mustang Week too, so be on the lookout for that. I don't know if he is going to have a bunch of stuff done or not before then, because I know it's only like 2 months away, but I think he is planning on doing like a short throw shifter, lowering net wheels, some bolt-ons, you know, your simple Coyote builds, and eventually I guess he'll maybe boost it. Rev match really quick. I just want to hear it. Let's set it easy.
So loud.
I know. I'm telling you, like, it's way louder than my car. It doesn't really handle that bad, because I think it's still stock springs. Which I know the IRS helps a ton.
On the road out over here, like it does very well actually.
I'm sure if you lower it or even do coilovers, like it's gonna be insane.
Yeah.
But I'm used to a 20-year-old car. with this shifter, but it kind of grinds like that. That wasn't the transmission grind, that was the actual shifter. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I'm not gonna lie, I want black or red.
Yeah. I want black still, but it really would be a pain.
Alright, so I guess that's pretty much gonna be the end for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know what you guys think of this car. Do you like it? Do you think I should get one? I can hear him in the distance, that's actually really funny. But let me know what you think of it, and I guess leave a like, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff, helps me out a ton, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.